Okay, hey there, IDK Fred here, and this is some more go-kart parts. Here we go. Okay, well, that went real well. Nothing else in the box, but another box. So I'm thinking this is going to be the torque converter kit, clutch kind of thing. So here we go. Yes it is. Okay. That's interesting. So we have a complete cover for the kit. And then on top of that, or below that, we have one of the spin wheels here. Our nice little piece of belt. One of the main parts right here hooks right up to the engine mount. And this should... Oh, whoa. Whoa. Hold on. Hey. The hell is this? Well, it doesn't look right to me, but I hope it works. This doesn't look like what I wanted. Because I'm assuming that goes on the shaft. No? Yeah? No? Whatever, we'll go over this later. This is going on to the kart, so we will check that later. Okay, now. This is the part I was looking for. That makes more sense. So then we have our nice shaft right there. Keyed shaft. And we have another shaft right there. Then we have a key. And big bolts and a keyed washer and lots of interesting stuff here. Okay, so that is the torque converter. And then we have one more box to go. Or more than one more box. But one more box for today, for me. So we're gonna set this aside.